How to make hamburger and gravy. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1 egg, 1 4 cup bread crumbs, 1/8 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 by half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon onion chopped, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 cup thin sliced onion, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 cup beef broth, 1 tablespoon cooking spray, half tablespoon seasoned salt. Add all ingredients to list. Directions: in a bowl, in a large bowl, mix together to ground beef, egg, bread, crumbs, pepper, salt, onion, pepper, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. From into 8 balls and flatten into patties. Reheat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Fry and patties and onion in the oil until patties are nicely browned. About 4 minutes per side. Remove the beef patties to a plate and keep warm. Sprinkle flour flour over the onions and dripping in the skillet. Stir in flour with a fork, stepping bits of beef off the bottom as you stir. Gradually mix in the beef, broth and sherry. Season with seasoned salt. Similarly stir over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes until the gravy thins. Turn heat to low. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. The channel provided by Recipe Driver.